Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome to our first podcast episode of Lakbay Kain, where we explore the best travel spots and food finds around the country. I'm Gino, your lakwasero at Food Buddy, and today we're heading to a place na madalas nating nadadaanan pero bihira nating ine-explore, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Alam ko kapag sinabing Bulacan, ang unang naiisip ng marami ay Malolos, Baliwag o ang historical sites dito. Pero mga kalakbay kain, San Jose del Monte has a lot to offer, from hidden waterfalls to legit local eats na tiyak na papatok sa panlasa niyo. So kung naghahanap ka ng weekend food trip o chill na nature escape na hindi masyadong malayo sa Manila, sakto ang episode na to para sa iyo. Okay, let's start with a little background. San Jose del Monte or SJDM is the largest city in Bulacan. Yes, city na siya. Pero unlike other urban areas, maraming nature spots pa rin dito. Kilala rin siya as the gateway to Bulacan dahil ito ang unang lungsod ng probinsya na madadaanan mo kung galing ka ng Metro Manila. Pero ang hindi alam ng marami, San Jose del Monte is home to amazing food spots at underrated travel destinations. So let's break it down. Ano ba ang pwedeng gawin dito? Tara, simulan natin sa travel. First is Our Lady of Lourdes Grotto Shrine. Kung trip mong mag-chill at magmuni-muni, the Our Lady of Lourdes Grotto Shrine is a must visit. It's one of top pilgrimage sites in Bulacan and may replica ito ng famous Lourdes Grotto sa France. Maliban sa religious significance, maganda rin ang vibe dito for quiet reflection or kahit simpleng photo walk. Kay Titinga Falls. Now, kung adventure naman ang hanap mo, kay Titinga Falls is the place to be. Ito sa hidden gems ng San Jose del Monte. Hindi mo masyadong crowded, kaya perfect para sa nature lovers. Medyo may konting trek bago makarating, pero once you get there, sobrang worth it. Fresh air, clear water, and that peaceful off-the-grid vibe, panalo. Tungkomanga Market and Local Stalls. Hindi pwedeng mawala sa itinerary ang palengke. Tungkomanga Public Market is a great place to experience the local food culture. From fresh produce to kakanin to street food, nandito na lahat. Mamaya pag-usapan natin ang mga best food finds. Pero kung mahilig ka sa local markets, ito ang spot para sa iyo. Alright, mga kalakbay kain. Let's talk about food. Alam nyo naman, hindi kumpleto ang trip kung walang kain. Here are some must-try dishes and spots in San Jose del Monte. Loming Batangas ng SJTM. Yes, you heard it right. Kahit nasa Bulacan tayo, one of the best-selling comfort foods dito ay Batangas Lomi. Kung hanap mo yung thick, creamy at super loaded na lomi, maraming matitinik na lomi houses sa area ng Sapang Palay at Tungkong Mangga. Perfect for rainy days or kung gusto mo lang ng heavy meal. Pansit Marilaw at Kakanin. Alam naman natin na Pansit Malabon at Pansit Batil Patong ang madalas na pag-uusapan. Pero guys, Pansit Marilaw deserves more attention. It's a mix of sweet, salty, and smoky flavors na talagang malasa. Pairs perfectly with the native kakanin like kutsinta, sapin-sapin, and suman na mabibili na sa mga stalls around SJDM. Ihaw-ihaw and street food spots. Kung street food trip ang hanap mo, SJDM won't disappoint. Along Quirino Highway, makakahanap ka ng legit inihaw stalls selling liempo, isaw, Adidas, Betamax, you name it. At kung mahilig ka sa pares, maraming budget-friendly Paris houses na may sabaw na parang niyakap ka sa init at linamnam. Before you go, here are some quick travel tips para masulit ang trip mo sa San Jose del Monte. Best time to visit. Kung nature trip, mas okay sa umaga, lalo na kung pupunta ka sa Kaytitinga Falls. Kung food trip naman, gabi ang best time para sa street food scene. How to get there? So from Manila, you can take either a bus or UV Express papuntang SJDM. Once you're there, tricycles are the best way to get around. Budget estimate. Food trip plus travel, less than 500 pesos, solve ka na. Kung may extra budget ka, pwede kang mag-side trip sa ibang parts ng Bulacan. And that's it for today episode of Lakbay Kain. Sana na-enjoy nyo ang quick tour natin around San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. If you love discovering underrated travel and food spots, make sure to follow this podcast and share this episode with your fellow lakwatseros at foodies. At syempre, kung may alam kayong hidden gems na dapat namin i-feature, message me on my social media. Lagi kong sinasabi, ang pinakamasarap at pinakamagandang lugar, minsan nasa tabi-tabi lang natin. Hanggang sa susunod na Lakbay Kain Adventure. Ito si Gino, Lakwatsero Foodie at Travel Buddy nyo, signing off. Happy travels and happy eating!